6/5/2025. The Nintendo 2 Switch released, and I was lucky to get one on release day. I walked into Best Buy this afternoon, and I was able to pick one off the shelf. I was the last one to get one in stock. What a blessing it was. As you can see me unboxing it, it is a very simple process. I have a unbox helper that keeps coming in the frame. As you can see, she keeps grabbing different pieces of the unboxing as I am unboxing the Switch 2. It feels great in the hand. It is very light. It's very sturdy. A little bigger than the original, which I do like. The screen is bigger as well. And the Joy-Cons are magnetic, right? Which was a great feature I think they added. In the box, they had HDMI cable, ultra high def. They had a charger. They had one set of Joy-Cons and the USB. And these little two devices are like the wrist straps that you put on the Joy-Cons if you don't want to connect them to your Switch 2, which is a great convenience. You cannot put the Joy-Con holders on there connected to the Switch. They also had a Joy-Con holder that makes it into a regular controller in the box as well. This unboxing was a fairly great unboxing, great presentation, great work that Nintendo did putting everything together. It was packaged fairly structurally sound and very easy to unbox and follow. The unboxing process was very seamless, and I really enjoyed unboxing this product. This is the docking station that we all know for Nintendo Switch 2. As you can see, everything that was in the box is right here in front of you. And at the end of this video, I will show you a comparison of the Nintendo Switch compared to the Nintendo Switch 2 with the size comparison. The screen was great. In other videos, I will give you more feedback and more updates on the differences between the Switch 2 and the Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share.